Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be in a good mood and sound health. Dear students, as you know, the schools are open for physical mode of teaching right from 1st of March 2020. In these days, it is raining hard. Better is to care for yourself as administration has issued some advisory. Dear students, one more bad thing is going on. That is the second wave of COVID-19 infection is putting bad impact in India, and J&K is never an exception. Yesterday, an order was circulated by district administration that mask wearing is mandatory and everybody should be with mask at public places. Dear students, you have to follow all the SOPs in letter and spirit so that you can save yourselves and others from this deadly coronavirus. Dear students, yesterday a student from BHS Tarspora called me to make me learn the role of non-alignment movement in post-Cold War era. So it is from the political science of class 12th, very first chapter, that is Cold War. Dear students, non-alignment movement was hit intentionally to tackle the Cold War. As you know, right from 1945 up to 1991, there was a tension between two giant states, that is the former USSR and the United States of America, over the supremacy, and this tension in the world political science or world history is called the Cold War. And Cold War ended in 1991 when USSR disintegrated into 15 new states. So some common men will say, or virtually it looks so that the role of non-alignment movement, which was intentionally for to tackle the Cold War, has ended. Dear students, still this non-alignment movement is playing its role at the international level. This movement or this organization is playing role in the international level by promoting the interests of the developing countries, and also they are promoting the interests of the underdeveloped countries, and they are also promoting the interests or the cooperation between this south cooperation. That is, south is the term used for the underdeveloped economies. So we can see non-alignment movement is still alive in the world politics by playing its role by promoting the interests of developing countries, by promoting the interests of underdeveloped countries, or they are developing, or the cooperation between the south and south, that is the underdeveloped countries. No doubt in international arena, or we can say at international level at present, some disputes are emerging, and always non-alignment movement is playing its role to settle all the international disputes peacefully. So the peaceful resolution of the international disputes is also promoted by the non-alignment movement. So we can say that the role of the non-alignment virtually has come to an end, but still it has its role in the world politics by promoting the interests of the developing countries, by making efforts to build cooperation between among the underdeveloped countries, or we can say south-south cooperation they are developing. And one more important thing, that it goes for the peaceful resolution of all those international disputes that has arised in the world or that are taking place in the world. So the non-alignment moment is still alive in the world politics. It has its role in the world politics. No doubt it was hit to tackle the Cold War. The Cold War has ended in 1991 when the USSR, former USSR, disintegrated and the world scenario changed, or we may say the world order changed from bipolar world to unipolar world. Let me repeat the things for you. Dear students, yesterday a student from BHS Tarspura called me that make me learn once again what is the role of non-alignment moment in the post-Cold War era or period. Dear students, as you know, that non-alignment moment was hit to tackle the Cold War. Virtually or intentionally, it was only the moment to tackle the Cold War because after 1945, after the end of Second World War, the world was divided into two hostile blocs. One bloc was held by former USSR called the Communist Bloc, another the Capitalist Bloc that was headed by United States of America. And when USSR collapsed in 1991, virtually or verily Cold War ended and the role of non-alignment movement virtually also came to an end. But still in the post-Cold War era, it is playing its role. So first important role that the non-alignment movement is playing in the world, it is going to for the peaceful resolutions of all the international disputes that has arisen in the world or that are arising in the world. This is the first role that non-alignment movement is playing. And second, most countries that are in the non-alignment movement are developing economies or developing countries. So they are promoting the interests of developing countries at the international level. So this is the second rule of the non-alignment movement of in post-Cold War era. And third, there are the countries which are underdeveloped countries or underdeveloped economies, and they are also promoting their interests and they are also trying to build cooperation among the South-South cooperation, that is the cooperation among the underdeveloped nations. This is the role of the non-alignment movement in post-Cold War era. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept that that in post-Cold War era, the non-alignment movement is still playing its role. And when an organization or a movement is going for the peaceful settlement of all the disputes that are arising in the world and that has arisen in the world, are promoting the interests of the developing nations, are trying to build the cooperation among this underdeveloped states, that is they are playing role in the world politics. But virtually the role has come to an end because intentionally this movement was hit to tackle the Cold War, and Cold War has ended in 1991 when USSR disintegrated into 15 new states. So some can say, common men can say that Cold War has ended in 1991. Now the non-alignment has under role in the world politics, but this organization has a role in the world politics. It is boosting economic ties among the member states. It is promoting interests of the developing nations in the world, peaceful settlement of disputes wherever they are arising, and also the underdeveloped economies, their interests also being promoted by this organization, or they are trying to build the cooperation in the underdeveloped economies. Dear students, this is what I know about the role of non-alignment movement in the post-Cold War era. Dear students, hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 70066711106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means, by calling or by WhatsApping, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. But the important thing is that you have to see these things on your available political science reference book so that you can grasp the concept well. And digital means are also available with you. Do search these things on Google and you will get the things well. Dear students, you have to follow all SOPs in letter and spirit so that you can save yourself from this deadly virus. And you have to also put extra efforts and you have to do extra hard work so that you can find your vote on the bank. Thanks. Be balanced.